I'm from Snow Camp, North Carolina. It's one of those small rural towns where you have like kind of generations of family that kind of grow up and live there and continue to keep their roots planted down there. I was born when my mom was about 17 years old, and so both of my parents ended up leaving high school a little early and went and got jobs to help support the family. Even though like my parents didn't really pursue education themselves, they both really like understand the value of having a good education and really just instilled that in me from a very young age. Growing up, I really like played a lot of different sports, and I ended up having an elbow injury early on in high school that led me to frequent trips to see an orthopedist. It really opened my eyes to the field of medicine. I grew up kind of a diehard Tar Heel fan myself. It was my top choice coming out of high school for sure. I remember standing in the kitchen with my parents and just like opening up the acceptance letter and just remember like how excited we were. Not only like was I now the first person in my immediate family to graduate high school, but I was going to be the first to go to college. So I remember opening up the letter that I was going to be a part of the Carolina Covenant program. We saw that I was going to attend Carolina at no cost. It was going to be able to remove a lot of the financial burdens and stresses off of my family. Through the Carolina Covenant, I was introduced to the Rural Medicine Pathway Program. Through this, I was connected with a lot of kind of mentors and experiences in rural healthcare and rural medicine that just solidified my desire to practice medicine. I always had this kind of desire to serve my country. During my freshman year at Carolina, I was able to join Army ROTC at UNC, as well as the North Carolina Army National Guard to really fulfill that desire while also pursuing medicine. Getting accepted in medical school, I remember my family just being extremely proud. They really just embraced me and supported me and celebrated me. I think I'm most passionate about just the culmination of this adventure that I started back in rural North Carolina and Snow Camp. That's really going to lead me to be able to return to a community that really resembles my hometown to serve as a resource to provide medical care for those communities that are in need.